celebrate not just victories, but honor the hard work, dedication, and the spirit of sportsmanship of our young cricketers. Our esteemed chief guest, Shri P. Dev Kumar, Joint Commissioner Academics, KVS Headquarters, has graced the days. Also on the days are our distinguished guests of honor, Shri Dharmendra Patle, Deputy Commissioner, KVS Regional Office, Bengaluru, Shri R. Pramod and Srimati Hema K, Assistant Commissioners, KVS Regional Office, Bengaluru, and our officials and observers, Shri Paritosh Ved, Shri Sandeep Sharma, Sports Cell, Jaipur, Shri Nikhil Gautam, Sports Cell, Agra, Shri Sagar Solanki, Selector, Shri Sukhwinder Singh, significant occasion with the traditional lighting of the lamp to invoke the divine blessings. I invite our chief guest and all the dignitaries present for the ceremonial lighting of the lamp. Present with us today. May we extend you all a warm welcome. I request Dr. Srimati Pushparani Yadav, Principal, KVRWF Yelahanka, to accord a green welcome to our guest, P. Dev Kumar, Joint Commissioner Academics. Let's give them a towering round of applause. We are honored to have you with us here, sir. We are grateful for you to have taken your precious time from the schedule and having graced this occasion. Welcome, sir. May we next welcome our beloved Assistant Commissioner, Shri R. Pramod, sir, to offer the traditional address. We are also praised with our beloved revered Shri P. Dev Kumar, sir. Welcome, sir. Shri Sheikh Muhammad, Shri Sandeep Sharma from Shri Nikhil Gautam, and our selectors, Shri Sagar Solanki, and Shri Sukhwinder Singh. Welcome one and all to Dharmendra Patle, sir, Deputy Commissioner, KVS Regional Office, Bengaluru, to deliver the welcome address, please.
It is said in Sanskrit, वांग में मनस्य प्रतिष्ठिता, मनु में वाचा प्रतिष्ठिता. What is there in my heart is on my tongue. What is there on my tongue, it is there in my heart. जो मेरे हृदय में है वो मेरी वाणी में है. Very important dignitary from KVS. The person under whose dynamic leadership the academics of entire KVS is thriving is none other than Dr. T. Devkumar sir. I welcome Honorable Sir from core of my heart to this very important, although it is concluding valedictory function of 53rd KVS National Sports Meet. This is the culminating day today as we started right from this national events, right from the date 28th of September. We continued 28th of August, we started it. And we continued, and then first phase was over. Then second phase started 30th of November, so September. Now it is the final day. Please play a very important role. And during these days, you stayed over here almost for 9 days. Maybe team will be going tomorrow also, so altogether 10 days. And in these days, I hope that many things you might have learned here. Important thing, what I find is that the skills, different skills, you are away with your parents, away from your parents, you are doing different day-to-day work, you are taking your care yourself, your own emotions or anger, how to behave, lot of things, my dear children, you will learn. So this kind of arrangement, organization of events and participation of children give you an extra edge to learn. And IDP 2020, very important thing is all of other things are there, but very importantly integration. Now this is the day, final day, and you know the winner, you know the second, third position, and you also know that what your performance was there this time. And our sports cell, regional sports cell, wherein Mr. Ratish, Madam Neelam and other our teachers are there, members are there. Really, they are doing very well. Big round of applause for them. I take this opportunity once again to welcome. Already I have welcomed Honorable Sir, by means of my words, my colleagues Mr. Pramod, Madam Hema, and we are having the technical officers from different regions with us. Mr. Paritosh Vaid, Sports Cell from Dehradun, Mr. Muruga Sundaram K, Chairman, Empire, Karnataka State Cricket Association, Mr. Sheikh Ahmed, Sports Cell Jaipur, Sandeep Sharma, Sports Cell Performance Index, so that at this age level, the children also come to know about what is performance index. My dear children, it is the quality, measure of quality of results. And many children, how many are there in 9th class? Okay, is going to the class 10, then they have their results will be evaluated in form of quality of result in form of PI. So for that also, I want to say, right from this moment, this time, this class, you have to strive for the excellence so far as quality is concerned. And sir, already I communicated them about the BC conference. Already sir, you have given, Honorable Commissioner Madam has given us the target, more than 100 students to be selected for LGFI. Again, over and again, I am mentioning the same thing, and I do hope that this time what Honorable Commissioner Madam, Madam Nidhi Pandey wanted, our participation, our children should qualify for SGFI. Certainly, we are going to get more than 100. During these 10 days, you enjoyed meals, South Indian meals. How many of you enjoyed very much? Yes. Okay. Yeah, that's okay. So, Vidyalaya tried its level best to provide you the meals, the best possible ways, the sumptuous, the palatable, and this was my personal direction also to Madam to see that children they carry sweet memory, beautiful memories of staying over here and playing and enjoying the event. And her team for this successful organization of 53rd KBS National Sports Week Cricket Under 14 and all others involved in the KBS Regional Sports Cell. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the warm welcome and for those kind words. Remember, dear participants, results first. Enjoy your games, but never sideline your target on academic performance is a message from this stage. To add further glory to this joyous occasion, here's the Vidyalaya choir with the melody. Illuminate the ambience, let me invite our young, graceful dancers for a divine invocation dance. This dance is a beautiful expression of the rich cultural heritage of Karnataka.
Narayana Te जगविषयन रविचन्द्र विलोचन जगरुह भवनुत चरणयुग जगविषयन रविचन्द्र विलोचन जगरुह भवनुत चरणयुग बलिबन्धन गोवर्धन बलिबन्धन गोवर्धन नमो 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 नारायण ते नमो नमो भवनारद सन्मुख नमो नमो नारायण ते नमो नारायण ते नमो नमो भवनारद सन्मुख नमो नमो नारायण ते नमो
Let the claps be louder. What a divine performance it was. Participants, thank you. On into this meet. I invite Master P.V.S. Varun, participant from Kolkata region, to present his impression as a participant.
I, PVS Varun, a player of KVS Kolkata region, came here to participate in the 53rd KVS National Sports Meet 2024. First of all, I want to thank the hosting school, KV, RWF Yelhanka and the Bangalore region for successfully conducting the event. The overall arrangements and facilities provided by the school were well received. The event featured well-maintained cricket grounds that offered participants an ideal platform to showcase their skills. Key aspects such as accommodation, transportation, and nutritional meals provided by the host school were efficiently managed, ensuring a smooth experience for both the athletes and their accompanying staff.
Here, I next call upon stage Master Adarsh Shekhar, participant from Patna region, to
पटना संभाग से मैं आदर्श शेखर पटना संभाग से आज अपने एक्सपीरियंस आपको शेयर करने वाला हूँ। हमारा सफ़र बहुत लंबा था लेकिन हमें बहुत मज़े आए क्योंकि सफ़र बहुत बड़ा था। हमें यहाँ के स्कूल के टीचर्स बहुत अच्छे लगे क्योंकि टीचर्स हमारे बहुत केयर करते थे, हेल्पफुल रहते थे। सेकेंडली हमें सर्वेंट जो यहाँ के थे वो हमेशा हमारे रूम को क्लीन करने आते थे क्योंकि गंदगी में हमें रहने वो लोग रहने ही नहीं देते थे। उसके बाद हमारे पानी जो पीने के पानी थे उसके भी हमेशा ध्यान रखे जाते थे कि कैसे पीने की पानी को करे किया जाए। उसके बाद हमने पहली बार साउथ इंडियन फूड को टेस्ट किया जो कि टेस्ट में बहुत अच्छा था और साउथ इंडियन फूड हमने पहली बार टेस्ट किया था। उसके बाद हमने पहली बार इतना बड़ा रास्ता क्लियर करके बेंगलुरु आए जिससे हमें रास्ते में भी बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला, समझने को मिला और इसलिए मैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस आपको शेयर करने आया था। तो धन्यवाद। हमें लगता है कि आपका भी एक्सपीरियंस यहाँ पे अच्छा ही गया होगा। धन्यवाद।
Before starting this impression, just I want to sing one stanza in Telugu. Adi bhikshu vaadi devi koredi, boodidikke vaadi devi adigedi. Adi bhikshu vaadi devi koredi, boodidikke vaadi devi adigedi. Devi koredi. District West, Honorable to next to stadium, and it is a great and a wonderful. Almost all, I am going to complete my 30-year service in KVS. So first of all, regarding the technical side, non-technical side, it is a wonderful, amazing, and moreover, especially regarding the, particularly I am talking about the technical point as a physical education teacher, really wonderful. The pitch, stadium alignment, and especially that is a punctuality. Punctuality is the, it means 11 o'clock means sharp 11 o'clock they have started matches. And come to the accommodation side, there is a wonderful and really that is the outsourcing people, they made it is a memorable in the, even though in washrooms, water supply, and they maintain very hygienic in the rooms. And come to the, that is our technical side, that Karnataka Cricket Association people are really they made.
हेलो एवरीवन, आदरणीय मुख्य अतिथि श्री देव कुमार सर, धर्मेंद्र पटले सर, समय की कमी है इसलिए मैं बहुत ही संक्षेप में बोलना चाहूँगा। मैं राजेश पटले, मुंबई रीजन से आज 53वें KVS राष्ट्रीय खेल प्रतियोगिता के अंतर्गत अंडर 14 क्रिकेट बॉयज़ के समापन समारोह के विशेष अवसर पर मैं अपनी ओर से तथा सभी स्क्वाड टीचर्स की ओर से इस शानदार समारोह के आयोजनकर्ताओं को अपने तहे दिल से धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा, जिन्होंने इतना शानदार कार्यक्रम ऑर्गेनाइज किया। इस समारोह को सफल बनाने के लिए जिन्होंने मेहनत और समर्पण का परिचय दिया, ऐसे आयोजन समिति के सभी प्रभारी और सदस्यों को भी तहे दिल से धन्यवाद, जिन्होंने इस कार्यक्रम की योजना बनाने से लेकर उसकी पूर्णता तक हर छोटे मोटे चीजों का ध्यान रखा। और हम मेहमान शिक्षकों तथा हमारे छात्र प्रतिभागियों का भी किसी चीज की कमी महसूस नहीं होने दी। कुछ समस्या उत्पन्न होने पर भी, जैसे कि वॉशरूम में पानी नहीं आ रहा है सुबह में, क्योंकि बेंगलोर में पानी की कमी है ही, ये हमें पता है, या फिर किसी बच्चे की स्वास्थ्य संबंधी समस्याएं हो, तो उस पर भी केवी यहलंका जो है इसकी टीम चुस्त दुरुस्त नजर आई। इसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका। मैं श्री रतीश सर PHNG केवी यहलंका का धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगा, जिन्होंने कार्यक्रम के प्रबंधन से लेके सारी ग्राउंड्स पर टीम्स को लेकर जाना, आवश्यक साधन सामग्री सुविधाओं को उपलब्ध कराना, वाले सर हमारे, इनका भी धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगा। साथ ही सभी स्वयंसेवक, हमारे NCC के कैडेट्स हो या फिर हमारे जो स्काउट गाइड के बच्चे हो, विद्यालय के सभी शिक्षक साथी जो कि काफ़ी फ्रेंडली है, और छात्र, सफाई कर्मी, नर्स मैम इत्यादि सभी ने स्वास्थ्य, साफ सफाई, खाने की व्यवस्था, खाना बहुत अच्छा था, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट। तो इत्यादि कार्यक्रम के आयोजन में अपना अमूल्य योगदान दिया। सभी ऑफिशियल्स, एम्पायर, आपको भी तहे दिल से धन्यवाद। अंत में मैं रेन्यू प्रिंसिपल श्रीमती पुष्पारानी यादव मैम को विशेष धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा। धन्यवाद मैम, जिन्होंने व्यक्तिगत तौर पर हर कार्य पर निगरानी रखी। मैं जब भी देखता था मैम हमेशा बिल्कुल चुस्त दुरुस्त नजर आती थी। जब मुझे किसी सर ने बताया कि मैम के शायद सिर्फ 2 या 3 साल ही बचे हैं रिटायरमेंट के, तो मुझे बिल्कुल यकीन नहीं हुआ। सो वी कैन लर्न दीज थिंग्स फ्रॉम मैम आल्सो, द एनर्जेटिक, डायनामिक आवर प्रिंसिपल। देन एक और चीज मैम की मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी, whenever you used to take the food, she always used to come over there। वो हमेशा आते थे और हमारे साथ खाना खाते थे, जो कि काफी रेयर है, वरना प्रिंसिपल्स तो अपने चैम्बर में भी खाना खा सकते हैं, लेकिन वो हमेशा हमारे पास आते थे। हमें कभी महसूस नहीं हुआ, मैंने मैम से पहली बार बात की, मुझे बिल्कुल एहसास नहीं हुआ कि वो प्रिंसिपल मैम है। बहुत ही पोलाइटली, जेन्युइनली उन्होंने बात की, थैंक यू सो मच मैम। देन अंत में सभी टीम्स को बधाई, आपने सभी ने बहुत अच्छा खेल खेला। ट्रॉफीज 3 है, 3 ही लोग लेके जाएंगे, लेकिन बाकी सभी ने बहुत अच्छा खेल खेला। और इस टीम में, इस टूर्नामेंट में ये दिखा था कि कोई फेवरेट्स नहीं है, सब फेवरेट है। ऑन द गिवन डे कैन बीट एनी टीम। और आशा करता हूँ कि भविष्य में भी हमें इस सुंदर विद्यालय में आने का सौभाग्य प्राप्त होता रहे। धन्यवाद बोलू, नम्मा बोलू।
Of Chandigarh Region Under 14 Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan Cricket Team, Abhyudaya Veer Singh, and keep moving forward. Chandigarh team members Abhyudaya Veer Singh, Kushagra, Sai Shashank Pujari, Vikas Pawar, Abhishek, Adarsh, Dipanshu Kumar Dash, Harsh Yadav, Apurva Dikshit, who is the captain, and Ayushman Singh, Hardik. That's a proud moment. They came, they are going back. Your silver medals. The other members, Arav Shukla, Akshat Singh, Ajit Mishra, Utkarsh Singh Tiwari, Yash Kumar Dwivedi, Anukalp Shukla, Mohit Singh, Sangam Kumar Sen, Satyendra Singh, Vishal Mishra, Ansh Patel, Nikhil Vivedi, Om Shukla, Jaipur Region Under 14 Cricket Team. Let's continuously clap for them. Let's motivate their efforts. They are taking home the silver medal of the 53rd Cricket Nationals for Under 14 boys. Region, Kolkata region, excellently done. The gold medals are waiting for you. Kindly have the honors of receiving them. Captain Athar Singh, Arnab Yadav, Venkat Sai, Devajyoti Koila, Yuvan, Jay Arji, Kailash Shah, PVS Varun, Priyanshu Kumar, Prem Kumar Rao, Ravi Ranjan Acharya, Tejas Chauhan, Somdev Paul. The winners of the 53rd KVS National Cricket. The trophy and the winners, Kolkata region. Of the tournament and has got the glory of taking home the title of the best bowler of the tournament. Congratulations, Mohit. Runs, Athar Singh from Kolkata region is the best batter. The captain, I can see the wound injury, but I see more his smile, his pride of taking home one trophy for the team and one for himself. And now, for the most valuable player of the tournament with 197 runs and 6 wickets from Chandigarh region, Ayushman Singh. Let's keep applauding. He's our most valuable player. We look forward to having you all play for the nation someday soon. Shri P. Dev Kumar, Joint Commissioner, Academics, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan Headquarters, to address the gathering and bless our young cricketers, please.
KVS Bangalore Region, Mr. Dharmendra Patleji, Assistant Commissioners, Mr. Pramodji, Hema Madam, Mr. Muruga Sundaram, Match Official Chairman of Karnataka State Cricket Association, Dr. Pushpa Rani Yadav, Principal of KVRWF, Mr. Shara Solangiji, Railway and Ranji Trophy player, the selected of our national team, and Mr. Sukhbir Singh, selector from Karnataka State Cricket Association, all the technical experts who have come from different regions, SK teachers, the staff of this Vidyalaya, and my loving children. Very good afternoon to all of you. Very good afternoon to all of you. Okay. I am very much delighted to be here at Bangalore City as we bring this under 14 boys cricket tournament to a close. I heard that people have witnessed not only your exceptional talents, but also the very much essence of sportsmanship, teamwork and perseverance. Your team won the KV number 2 Kharagpur. It's a very small school, I know, because I inspected that school in the year 2005, 6 and 7. 3 years I visited that school as a part of my inspection. At that time I was education officer in Kolkata region. Okay. Here each one of you, that is the player, coaches, escorts, supporters, umpires and selectors, technical experts, everybody has contributed to making this tournament a great success. 2 boys, they have spoken about their impression. Two SK teachers also, they have told their expression. So, मुझे समझ में आया वो expression से. So they're all happy that the school has taken care of you. The Bangalore team, Bangalore region, has taken care of you, and you love the South Indian road. मैं तो आजकल आधा नॉर्थ इंडियन हो गया. 13 years से तो मैं नॉर्थ इंडिया में घूम रहा हूँ. इसलिए मैं तो दिल्ली में रोटी खाता हूँ, इडली डोसा में नहीं खाता हूँ. मुझे तो रोटी चपाती परोठा मिलता है उधर में, करेक्ट. सो इधर का डोसा उधर में मिलता है, बट वो टेस्ट आपका नहीं आएगा. इधर का सांबार का टेस्ट, इधर का चटनी का टेस्ट आपका उधर में नहीं मिलेगा. आपका पानी डिफरेंट है, वाटर इज डिफरेंट. वाटर मेक्स द मेन डिफरेंस एंड द वे ऑफ प्रिपरेशन आल्सो, व्हाटएवर इट इज. As we conclude, let's reflect what this tournament has taught you. Okay, cricket is like all the sports, is more than just about winning or losing. It is about character and ability to raise the setbacks. Correct. This tournament has shown as the true championship for those who never gave up. Remember, once Mr. M.S. Dhoni said, it is important to learn and not to repeat mistakes. If you don't win today, learn from this experience and come back stronger as a winning team for the next year. Last year, my previous region, Chandigarh region, was the champion. I worked 3 years, 3 months in Chandigarh region. Only year 2022, I became a joint commissioner. पहले मैं सेक्टर 29 में मेरा घर था, सेक्टर 31 में मेरा हम लोग का ऑफिस है. Correct. So now, yesterday I have seen the Kolkata team. Correct. What I have noticed, I am telling you, and from others also. You all are under 14. आपका अभी भी थोड़ा फिजिकल फिटनेस चाहिए, आपका थोड़ा स्टेमिना चाहिए. You're not able to run. Everybody now 2 run out I have seen yesterday. 2 or 3, I'm not remembering. 2 the minimum I have seen. They would have easily run that one, but they were not able to run. फिजिकल फिटनेस चाहिए, थोड़ा अच्छा से खाना खाइए. मम्मी को बताइए, हमारा दिल्ली से एक सर आया, बोला अच्छा खाना हमको खिला दो. कि those who are eating non-veg, take good non-veg. आपका एज भी आप कुछ भी खा सकते हैं. मैं ज़्यादा खाऊंगा तो मुझे कोलेस्ट्रॉल आ जाएगा, मेरा शुगर ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. मेरा तो शुगर नहीं है, शुगर ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, हम नहीं खा सकते ज़्यादा. So आपका what I have observed by seeing only one match, maybe some 7-8 overs I have seen, आप लोग का और भी फिजिकल फिटनेस थोड़ा ज़्यादा चाहिए. The states, no? In SGFI. So that you have to see, remember it. Okay. Then the winning team, okay, you should be proud of what you have achieved. Okay, kudos to the teacher who has given training to that young students of KV number 2 Kharagpur. Correct. You didn't just win matches. You displayed the teamwork, never give up positive attitude and also the determination. मैं आपका वही सच बता रहा हूँ. कल मैं सोचा जबलपुर जीतेगा. चनाब जबलपुर के लगा चंडीगढ़. I left actually because but the teamwork wins championship. That is what the winners and runners have shown to you. Remember it. All the 2 runner-up and 1 winners. Okay. So your victory is a proof that cricket is not an individual game. Am I correct? Cricket is not an individual game. It is about working together. It's a teamwork, remember. Trusting each other and playing with a sharing goal. Trusting each other. Oh, ball aa raha hai, pakka catch pakadega. Trust on him. He's a wicket keeper. Trust on him. Bowler, acha bowl karega. Trusting each other. With a teamwork, with a determination, with a perseverance. And you are winning, remember it. Okay. So on behalf of KVS headquarters, I thank every one of you. Okay. The Bangalore region, the school team, RWF, and all the technical officers. The special thanks to Karnataka State Cricket Association. Because see, I used to be very strict because we used to get lot of complaints previously. ये टीचर भी था, वो हमारा रीजन, उसका रीजन को ले लिया, उसका रिलेटिव था, ये ले लिया. इसलिए I very strictly told after I took over as an academic, my sports also I am in charge in headquarters. No KV person will involve in the selection. Selection will be done only by the recognized association of the particular state. This is our minimum amount. If they ask more amount, you ask permission from us, we will give you that we are giving also. Remember it. So selection is fair. That is very much important. That you have to trust. That you have to trust. Remember it. Okay. And congratulations to everybody, to all the team and players. Correct. कोई बात नहीं, आपका लीग तक आया, क्वार्टर फाइनल तक आया, सेमीफाइनल तक आया, 4th तक आया, no problem. आ जाएगा. See, Kolkata region also हमारा KV का स्टूडेंट है आपके. Everybody is a KV fan. For success in your life. Jai Hind. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your insightful words that encourage our young sports enthusiasts to aim higher and strive for excellence. Your support for our young athletes is truly inspiring.
Declare the 53rd KVS National Sports Meets for Cricket under 14 boys closed.
Thank you, sir. But also the spirit of unity and sportsmanship will lower the flag. We have the ceremony being done by Shri Avinash, KV number 2 Belgavi, Shri Sunil Kumar, KV Yeshwanthpur, Shri Ashutosh Kalra, KV Chamraj Nagar, Shri Vivek, KV number 1 Hubli. Once the flag is lowered, they are handing over the flag to Mr. Wale. Wale sir shall now hand over the flag to our respected Deputy Commissioner. I request Patli sir to kindly hand over the flag to our Joint Commissioner. Thank you everyone for doing these honors.
Rocket clock, go!
Good afternoon to all of you. It is said joy is the simplest form of gratitude. So I am very happy and privileged to present vote of thanks on the occasion of closing ceremony of 53rd KVS National Sports Meet Cricket Boys Under 14 in KVRWF. First and foremost, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, Dr. P. Dev Kumar, JC Academics KVS New Delhi, for gracing the closing ceremony today. With your presence and your inspiring words, we have truly It will truly set the tone for this national sports meet. Thank you, sir, for your kind presence in motivating the young cricketers to excel in the game in the years coming ahead. Now I offer my special thanks to respected Mr. Dhanvir Patel, DC KVS RO Bengaluru. Sir, your insights and guidance is inevitable to organize the event successfully. Your guidance and encouragement significantly contributed to maintain the spirit of the event. Thanks a lot, sir. I would also like to thank Mr. R. Pramod, Assistant Commissioner, KVS Bengaluru, and I acknowledge the support, inputs and feedbacks he has provided continuously throughout the meet. We are grateful, sir, for your unwavering support. Next, I would express my gratitude to Ms. Hema, AC KVS RO Bengaluru, to motivate us and guiding us continuously to do the work in a planned and effective manner. Thank you, ma'am, for your mentoring and guidance. Now I sincerely thank Mr. Murud Sundaram, sir, Chief Umpire, Karnataka State Cricket Association, and other technicians and other officials who provided all professional, skilled support to conduct this meet in a successful manner. I am thankful to the PETs who have come from different regions, Agra, Jaipur, and Chandigarh and portion. The suggestions and feedbacks must have increased the confidence of all these young cricketers. Thank you. Next, from the bottom of my heart, I will offer my special thanks to all the TGTs, PNHE, who worked day and night to conduct this event. All of them managed with untimely rains and scorching heat also, and ensured that the schedule of the matches is followed as planned. After this, I thank all the TGT Art Education of different KVs of Bengaluru region who worked with passion and perseverance to make the stay venue beautiful and colorful so that all the participants can take special memories of this event and venue. I express my thanks to all RWF authorities also for their valuable support, and I am grateful and thank all the sports also who ensured safety of the children during journey and looked after them during the stay at this venue and on grounds also for the meet. Thank you, teachers, and I wish you a very safe journey back to your Vidyalaya also.